Out here on Passaconaway Rd, up here in New Hampshire, right by next to the gate. Nice and quiet right now. Monday morning, I don't know, 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been scoring some stuff along the way. It got me a old bicycle, because where I live, way ago, the gentleman that took pictures of all the New Haven, New York, and Hartford railroad stations rode a bike to each one. And there was a bike in almost all the pictures outside the railroad station of the picture that he took. So I grabbed that to put with my railroad station. But up top, I got ship horns today. KM85, KM110. Here we go. Oh, timed out. That's what I'm using for the power. Because my truck's 24 volts. And I want to fry the solenoid valves. Had to work the switches with one hand. Alright, that's it for now. See ya. Car's coming.